Have you ever wondered why your dog insists on sleeping right next to you, even when they have their own comfortable bed? Is it love, habit, or something deeper? Because here's the truth. When your dog chooses to sleep with you, it's not random. It's actually one of the clearest ways they communicate how they feel about you. And some of these reasons might surprise you, even change the way you see your dog forever. Most dog owners think their dog sleeps with them just because they're used to it, or maybe because it's comfortable. But in reality, dogs are highly instinctive animals. Every behavior, especially something as vulnerable as sleep, has meaning behind it. In this video, I'm going to break down the real reasons behind this behavior, and trust me, some of them might completely change the way you see your dog. And make sure you watch till the end, because one of these reasons might be exactly what your dog is trying to tell you right now, and almost no one notices it. Number 1. Your dog feels safe with you. When your dog chooses to sleep next to you, the biggest reason behind it is safety, but not in the simple way most people think. In the wild, dogs and their ancestors never slept alone unless they had no other choice. Sleep is the moment when they are most vulnerable. They can't react quickly, they can't defend themselves properly, and they rely on their environment to protect them. So naturally, they look for the safest possible place. And in your dog's mind, that place is you. When your dog curls up next to you, presses their body against you, or even sleeps on top of your legs, they are placing themselves in what they feel is a protected zone. Your presence acts like a shield. It lowers their alertness level, slows their breathing, and allows them to enter a deeper, more restful sleep. This is especially noticeable in rescue dogs or dogs that had a rough past. They tend to stay even closer because your presence gives them a sense of stability they didn't have before. So it's not just about comfort, it's about trust at the highest level. Number 2, it's their way of showing love. Dogs don't express love the way humans do. They don't use words, but their actions speak louder than anything. Sleeping next to you is one of the strongest emotional signals a dog can give. Think about it. During the day, your dog might follow you around, wag their tail, or bring you toys. But at night, when everything is quiet and calm, they make a choice. And that choice is to be close to you. In a dog's world, closeness equals bonding. Puppies sleep piled together with their siblings and mother. Adult dogs in a group sleep near each other to maintain connection. So when your dog chooses your bed, they're treating you like family, like someone they deeply care about. And here's something interesting. If your dog sleeps facing you or rests their head on you, that's an even stronger sign of emotional attachment. It shows they are fully relaxed and emotionally connected in that moment. This isn't just habit. This is love in its purest form. Number 3, pack instinct is still strong. Even though your dog lives in a house, eats packaged food, and sleeps on a soft bed, their brain still carries ancient instincts from their ancestors. One of the strongest of those instincts is the pack mentality. In the wild, sleeping together isn't optional, it's necessary. It keeps the group safe, maintains social bonds, and ensures survival. Your dog sees you as part of their pack, and in many cases, as the leader of that pack. That's why they don't just sleep near you randomly. They often choose positions that reflect pack behavior. Curled up beside you, sleeping at your feet, positioning themselves between you and the door. All of this comes from instinct, not training. And this is important to understand. Your dog isn't being needy or spoiled by sleeping with you. They're simply following a behavior that has been hardwired into them for thousands of years. Number 4, they love your warmth. Now let's talk about something more physical. Warmth. Dogs naturally seek warm, comfortable places to rest. It's part of energy conservation and relaxation. Your body produces heat, and your bed traps that warmth, making it one of the most attractive sleeping spots in the entire house. But this goes deeper than just temperature. When your dog sleeps close to your chest or back, they can feel your breathing pattern and heartbeat. That rhythm creates a calming effect, almost like a natural sleep aid for them. It reminds them of being close to their mother as puppies, where warmth and heartbeat meant safety and comfort. That's why many dogs prefer sleeping close to your upper body rather than just anywhere on the bed. It's not random. It's deeply comforting on both a physical and emotional level. Number 5. Your scent comforts them. Your scent is one of the most powerful things in your dog's world. Dogs experience the world primarily through smell, and your scent carries a huge amount of information for them: familiarity, comfort, safety, and emotional connection. That's why your dog might sleep on your clothes, lie on your pillow, stay near your side of the bed. When they sleep next to you, they are surrounded by your scent in its strongest and most comforting form. And here's something many people don't realize. Your scent can actually reduce stress levels in your dog. It helps regulate their emotions and makes them feel grounded. So when your dog chooses to sleep with you, they're not just choosing a place, they're choosing a feeling of home. Number 6, they may be protecting you. This is where things get really interesting. Sometimes, your dog isn't just sleeping with you for comfort, they're doing it out of instinct to protect you. Dogs are naturally alert animals. Even while resting, they stay partially aware of their surroundings. If your dog sleeps in positions like facing the door, near the edge of the bed, between you and the room entrance, they may be placing themselves in a guarding position. In their mind, they are watching over you while you sleep. This behavior is especially common in loyal or protective breeds, but almost all dogs have some level of this instinct. They might not consciously think, "I need to protect my owner," but their instincts drive them to stay close and alert. To them, you're not just someone they love, you're someone worth protecting at all times. So tonight, when your dog jumps onto your bed and settles right next to you, take a moment to really notice it. Out of everywhere they could sleep, they choose you. And that says a lot about how they feel. It's comfort, it's trust, it's connection. And honestly, every dog has their own little way of doing this. Some sleep near your feet, some curl up against your chest, and some just have to be touching you all the time. Now I want to know about your dog. Where do they sleep, and how close do they stay to you? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And if you enjoy understanding your dog on a deeper level, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss what your dog might be trying to tell you next.